Tesla Model S software updates enhance battery management, autopilot, and full self-driving capabilities. These updates improve battery management and introduce new features visible on the infotainment screen. They also enhance autopilot features, helping maintain safe distances using sensors and cameras, plus advanced navigation and full self-driving capabilities shown on the dashboard. However, download, install, or reboot issues can occur. Most stalls are user-side problems, not inherent flaws. We'll guide you through troubleshooting these issues. If your download is stuck at 0% or midway, the problem is likely Wi-Fi. Tesla recommends at least 10%. Check Internet in car settings. Access the settings menu on the touchscreen. Switch to cellular if Wi-Fi fails. Use the car's cellular connection as backup. A faulty router can cause this. Restart the car and retry the update. Installation stalls during Tesla software updates are often caused by low battery levels below 20%, insufficient storage space, or conflicting third-party applications. To fix a stuck installation, first ensure your battery is charged above 50%. Second, make sure the car is stationary and plugged into a wall charger, not just a supercharger. Third, force a reboot by holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds. These steps should resolve most installation issues by addressing the common causes. If your Tesla Model S is stuck in a reboot loop with a black screen or infinite restart cycle, start by performing a hard reset. Open the hood and locate the 12-volt battery under the frunk storage area. Carefully disconnect the 12-volt battery terminals. Wait exactly 5 minutes to ensure the system fully resets. This allows the vehicle's computer to clear any temporary glitches causing the loop. After 5 minutes, reconnect the battery terminals securely. Close the hood and attempt to power on the vehicle by pressing the brake pedal or using the key card. If the hard reset doesn't resolve the issue, use the Tesla mobile app for remote diagnostics. Open the app, select your vehicle, and navigate to the service menu to run diagnostics or contact Tesla support. Remember, if the reboot loop continues after these steps, contact Tesla service for professional assistance to avoid further issues. Tesla's over-the-air system delivers software updates directly from Tesla's servers to your vehicle's central computer, eliminating the need for physical visits to a service center. The download process is designed to happen automatically when your Tesla is safely parked and connected to a charger, ensuring the vehicle remains powered and secure during the transfer. Once downloaded, the installation process requires a complete vehicle reboot to safely implement the new software changes without risking system instability. When updates stall, they are classified as either soft stalls, which can be resolved by the user through basic troubleshooting steps, or hard stalls that require Tesla Service Center intervention. Tesla's safety protocols ensure that software updates never occur during active driving or other unsafe conditions, protecting both the vehicle and its occupants by maintaining full functionality when needed. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the update issue, use the Tesla app for remote diagnostics. Tesla's AI tools can diagnose 95% of issues remotely, helping identify problems like network connectivity or software conflicts. If the app diagnostics don't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support through the app or website. Support can guide you through additional steps or schedule service if needed. Tesla recommends contacting support early to avoid prolonged downtime. Some issues, like a faulty touchscreen controller or infotainment unit hardware failure, require physical repair under warranty if applicable. Tesla can diagnose these remotely and arrange for service center repairs, such as replacing capacitors or controllers. Remember to have your Tesla account information handy when contacting support for faster assistance. This includes your vehicle identification number and purchase details to help support verify warranty coverage and provide targeted help. Tesla is working on AI-assisted diagnostics that can automatically detect and fix software issues in vehicles, minimizing downtime and user involvement. Tesla plans to enable seamless over-the-air updates for non-critical features even while the vehicle is in motion, allowing drivers to receive improvements without stopping. Enhanced security through end-to-end encryption will protect update data from interception with blockchain verification to prevent tampering. The Tesla app will allow personalized scheduling of updates, letting users choose optimal times that fit their daily routines. By 2030, Tesla aims for zero downtime updates, where vehicles can update on the fly without reboots, powered by advanced edge computing. To prevent Tesla Model S software update issues, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection with at least 10 Mbps speed, avoiding weak signals or data caps that can interrupt downloads. Keep your vehicle's battery charged above 50% and preferably fully charged before attempting updates to prevent installation failures. Avoid installing third-party infotainment modifications as they can conflict with Tesla's software and cause update problems. Regularly check for updates in the software menu of your Tesla's settings, allowing you to download them at convenient times. Proactively run diagnostics through the vehicle's built-in tools to identify potential issues before they disrupt updates. If problems persist, contact Tesla support. By following these proactive tips, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of update disruptions in your Tesla Model S.